Hey guys, and welcome back to Richoux on Demand. So today we are installing the closet system. I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna time lapse and do some voiceover, but I just want to let y'all see the transformation. And if you're new, thanks for stopping by. My name is Ashley and I make videos with my husband Keith and our son Eric. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. He's back there. The exposure's really high, so I want y'all to see everything. But yeah, so I just wanted to stop by. Oh, there he is. I just wanted to stop by and say thank you guys for stopping by, and consider clicking the link down below. Thumbs up if you like this video, and follow us on Instagram on Richoux on Demand. I'll put the handle right there. Bye guys. We start here. We don't have to vacuum back here when we get done. Yeah. Okay. so we have finished installing the closet. We have to do some minor adjustments, but this is the gist of how it looks. I think it turned out really well. I'm so excited to see my clothing on it. And yeah, our goal is to possibly get a smaller one to put on that wall over there. So yeah, it was pretty easy to put together. It took us about an hour and a half, but that's because we were just shooting the crap. So yeah. Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed that little video of us putting together the closet unit that we're going to use in here, where all these clothes that's on this rack over here will be over there, and we're going to put desk in here. So this is just one of many videos that we've been doing to document organizing our house and things like that. So thanks so much for joining us. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you like seeing people put things together, you enjoyed it. If you didn't, sorry, this is what we're doing right now. So yeah, if you guys are new here, thanks for stopping by. Consider subscribing down below. Follow us at Richoux on Demand on Instagram, where we update things going on in our life. So till next time, bye guys.